Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video.
Problems regarding to conditional probability. A box 1 contains 11 cards numbered 1 to 11. Box 2 contains 7 cards numbered 1 to 7. A box is selected at random and a card is drawn. If the number is even, find the probability that the card is from box 1. Okay. Let E1 be the event of selecting first box 1. Let E2 be the event of selecting box 2. And let capital E be the event of getting even chord. Okay. How many boxes are there? There are 2 boxes. Okay, first box, second box. How many cards are there in the first box? There are totally 11 cards. Here in the second box there are totally 7 cards. Among these 11 cards, how many even cards are there? How many odd cards are there? Okay, there are totally 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5 even cards and 6 odd cards. Here also 2, 4, 6, 3 even cards are there. Remaining cards are odd cards. 4 odd cards are there. Okay. Now we are selecting randomly. We are selecting a card randomly among these 18 cards. 11 plus 7, 18 cards. If it is even, we have to find out the probability. If the card select is even, that is probability. If the card selected is even, we have to find out the probability that even card is merged from first box 1, that is even E1. Therefore, we have to find out the probability E1 given E, because in the problem it is required that find the probability that if the number is even, first property is even, that even card must be in box 1. We have to find out the probability that the even card is from 1. Therefore, first property is E. Then we require to find out the probability that this even card is from first box. Okay. By using Bayes theorem, we can find out this probability. By Bayes theorem, probability, the formula is given by probability of E1, probability of E by E1 by probability of E1 into probability of E by E2 plus probability of E2 into probability of E by E2. This is E1. Okay. Now let us find out the probabilities for these three events. Probability of E1, probability of E1. Okay, what is the probability of selecting E1? There are two possible ways since there are two boxes. Therefore, probability of E1 is 1 by 2, and probability of E2 is also 1 by 2. Okay, now probability of E be the event of getting even chord. Probability of E by E1. Okay, that is, what is the probability of even chord given E1? Okay, from the first box. Okay, in the first box, how many chords are there? 11 chords are there. Among these 11 chords, 5 chords are even, 6 chords are odd chords. Okay, therefore, number of exhaustive cases is 11 to select a chord, since there are 11 chords in the first box. But how many even chords are there? There are only 5 even chords. Therefore, number of possible cases is 5. That is 5 by 11. Okay. Now, probability of even chords from the given by second box. Okay, is how many chords are there in the second box? There are 7 chords. Among the 7 chords, to select an even chord, we must select it from the even chords. There are 3 even chords. Therefore, 3 possible ways are there to select a single chord. Therefore, 3 by 7. Okay. Now, we have to find out the probability. Now, if the chord selected is even, the probability that the chord is from box 1 is given by Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem, probability of a chord which is even to be from E1, probability of even given E. First property is even chord. First, that chord must be even. Next, from which it come, from even, what is the probability for it? Probability of E1 by E. Okay, by Bayes theorem, formula is P of E1 into probability of E given first box, probability of even chord given by the first chord. First we select the chord from a box. Second box, probability for selecting second box, and probability of even chord given by second box E2. This is the Bayes theorem. Now replace the values. Probability of E1 is 1 by 2. Probability of E1 is 1 by 2. into probability of E by E1. E given E1 5 by 11, probability of E1, probability of E given E1 5 by 11 plus probability of E2 is 1 by 2 into probability of E given E2. Probability of E given E2 is 3 by 7. Okay, on solving it we get 38 by 68. 38 by 68. Now let us go to the second problem regarding to conditional probability. In a town, 40% have brown hair, 25% have brown eyes, and 15% have both brown hair and brown eyes. A person is selected at random from the town. Now, first problem is, if he has brown hair, what is the probability that he has brown eyes also? Okay, the second one is, if he has brown eyes, what is the probability that he has brown hair also? In the first elementary problem, first property is he must has brown hair. Okay, in the second property, first in the second problem, first property is brown eyes. Okay, now let capital H be the event of getting brown hair. Let E be the event of getting brown eyes. Okay, now probability of H, probability of brown hair, the number of persons having brown hair. There are 40% have brown hair, therefore 40 by 100, that is 4 by 10, therefore 2 by 5. Now probability of brown eyes, P of E, there are 25% have brown eyes, therefore P of E is equal to 25 by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And you know, there are 50% have both brown hair and brown eyes, therefore probability of H intersection E is equal to 15%, means 15 by 100, that is 3 by 20. Okay, now in the first problem he is asking that if he has brown hair, that is first property he must have is brown hair. Okay, brown hair. What is the probability that he has brown eyes also? That is probability of brown eyes given brown hair. Okay, as per the formula of conditional probability, the formula is P of H intersection E by probability of H. Probability of H intersection is 3 by 20 by probability of H 1, probability of H 2 by 5. Therefore 3 by 20 into 2 by 5, that is 5 by 2. Okay, 4 times cancel, 3 by 4 into 2, 8. 3 by 8 is the required probability for a person having brown hair also have brown eyes. Okay, in the next problem he is asking that if he has brown eyes, what is the probability that he has brown hair also. Okay, first he must have brown eyes. Next, in this brown eyes, how many persons are there with brown hair? Okay, that is the probability of brown hair given by brown eyes. Therefore probability of H intersection E by probability of E, that is 3 by 20 by probability of E is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, that is 3 by 20 into 4 by 1 or 4. 5 times cancelled, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the required probability for a person who has blue eyes also having brown eyes. Okay, let us go to the next problem. 2 marbles are drawn in a succession from a box containing 10 red, 30 white, 20 blue and 15 orange marbles with replacement. Okay, with replacement being made after each drawing. Find the probability that both are white. First is red, second is white. This way. Okay, now how many total marbles are there? Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles is equal to 10 red, 30 white, 10 red, 30 white, 20 blue ball, blue plus 15 orange. Therefore 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 15. 10 plus 30, 40, 20, 75. 10 plus 30, 40, 60, 75. Okay, so there are totally 75 marbles. Okay, now let us do first one. Both are white. Both are white. The probability for getting both are white, okay, is equal to, first we select a marble among 75 marbles. There are totally 75 marbles. Okay, therefore 75 exhaustive cases are there to select a single marble, but that single marble must be a white card. How many possible ways are there for a selected marble to be a white? 10 marbles are there. Sorry, white color. 30 white marbles are there. Therefore, there are 30 possible ways. Okay, that is 2 by 5. Okay, now 2 by 5. First we select a single marble. Therefore, this is for the probability for getting a white marble is 30 by 75, 2 by 5. Now the probability for getting both are white marbles. Okay, for it, first we must choose a single marble among 75 marbles. That single marble must be a white marble. There are 30 possible ways to select a single marble. Okay, now with replacement we have to select it. With replacement mean we will put the marble in the same place, then we choose it again. There are 75 marbles because it is with replacement, and there are again 30 marbles. Therefore, to choose the second marble, the probability is 30 by 75. Therefore, 2 by 5 into 2 by 5, 4 by 25. Okay. For the second, first is red, second is white. Required probability is here. First is red. Total marks are 75. Marble must be red. There are totally 10 red marbles. Therefore, 10 possible ways are there to select a single red marble. Okay, since it is with replacement, again we have 75 marbles. Among the 75 marble, now we have to select a second marble with which color? White color. Okay, there are 30 marbles with white color. Therefore, 30 possible ways are there to select a single white marble. 30. Okay, after solving it we get 4 by 75.